thank you so much for participating in today's ceremony. Pay sensitivity issue, I don't like. Well, no big deal, just because of higher education. I'm sorry you have so little to work with. It's just this is gonna be a test of your, a test of your skills. I like that one. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. We're making magic, Matt. That's what's happening right now. Let's do it one more time. You ready? All right, here, here, here. There, up top, down low, double tap, right at you. That's it, you nailed it.
You're so fancy today. We love it.
Hey, Paula, where are you from? I don't look terrified in the photos, do I? That's the key. I became an educator because I wanted to make a difference in the lives of students. Well, when you think about Midlands Tech, we're in the dream-making business, right? I would argue we're not even in the education business. We are in the dream-making business. The pinning ceremony is both symbolic and a meaningful occasion. You have studied hard, and now you are ready to officially begin your careers. Congratulations, fantastic one.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Well, if you ever see me come through, y'all take good care of me. That's the big key, right? Like, that's all we need, for sure. Midlands Tech is seeking partnerships with our business community to help advance opportunities for the people in the Midlands region. Yesterday, when we looked at the youth apprenticeship program at Prisma, and you saw the number of partners that came together, Richland 2, Prisma Health, Midlands Tech, all these partners coming together to create these amazing opportunities and really creates a bright future for them. Well, good morning or afternoon, I guess, everybody. Welcome to the first Executive Council meeting. That is very exciting. Yeah, we probably only have 3 or 4 hours on the agenda, and that's a joke. The critical thing is I want the Executive Council meetings to work for you. It's just important to note that over the last 50 years, we've built an incredible foundation. Again, good morning. It is a pleasure to have you here. You know, I'm so appreciative of the South Carolina Technical Board and the system for all the opportunities that you provided me. We do have a big announcement that's taking place. The Lowe's Foundation has given us $1 million. There's a lot of wonderful things taking place at Midlands Tech.
What you're going to see in engineering technology today is kind of bits and pieces of our 4 main programs, which are architectural engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering.
This course is a Monday through Thursday, and it's a 5-week course.
Blue Cross Blue Shield was very instrumental in helping outfit this lab.
You know, to me, among the bravest people in all the land are phlebotomy students. Because at some point, they quit practicing on that orange and they start practicing on each other.
Tool makers today are making upwards of $50 an hour. Lucrative career for sure. Most of our students, if they want a job, can have a job before they graduate.
Well, right now, some of the data around retention, if I'm being honest, doesn't really capture our true impact. If a student comes in, they take a couple courses, and they get the job that they were wanting to get, whether or not they earn their certificate or they finish their degree with us, I'm not sure that that's all that important. Their goal was to get this new job. They were able to accomplish that goal.
Mechatronics program is a homogeneous program where they took, years ago, you would have a electrical technician or mechanical technician.
The best maybe example of this is Scout Motors coming in, where our mechatronics department was fairly small.
The last 5 years, the school has purchased $1.7 million in equipment for just this program.
I could listen to him talk about this all day long. I don't know half of what he's saying, but I love the tone.
We have guys in here doing things from CNC machining all the way to DNA testing. Proof ice cream, they make alcoholic ice cream, so we hit on all kinds of areas.
You may or may not know this, but I started on July 1st, right? So you've been ambassador, some of you longer than I've been president of the college. Before we get to the leading part, that it's incredibly important to listen and to learn. We want Midlands Tech to have been essential to your success. What do you need of your president to help you be successful?
I think the best thing about Midlands Tech is the academic rigor. There's this misconception that tech schools are the easy way out. They're super easy. That is not the case.
Whenever I register for classes, it's always like TBD. I want to like email the professor like right then and there.
That may be more complicated. Can I steal like your idea and kind of talk about it a little bit? I'm listening to what people are telling me is where we can take from that last 50 years and really utilize that foundation to launch forward. I just think their voice is absolutely critical.
All right, welcome to Fall 2024 Convocation.
Hi, my name is Tabitha Calixto Puertos. I'm majoring in management entrepreneurship. I'm so excited because in the spring, I'll be the first in my family graduating.
That gets me every single time, because if we don't get excited about that, I mean, you better go get your heart checked because something's wrong with you.
Hello, Greg.
Yes.
Hey, it's Mike Switzer. How are you?
Hey, Mike. When I think about the next 25 or 30 years of education in our country and the work that's being done and thinking about where our country is moving, really it's at the technical college space, in that technical and community college space, which I think is where all the action's going to be. We have expertise and experience on our campuses that are second to none. I'd hold our faculty and staff up against anybody. We don't offer a cheap education. We offer education that's affordable, but it's certainly not cheap because of the people who deliver it and the opportunities that we provide. I am truly honored and humbled to be the president here at Midlands Tech. You know, my family lives in this region. Our children have thrived in this region. We really love living here. There's a real weight to know that we have 50 years behind us and that now we get together to write the first chapter in that story. That is incredibly exciting, and I feel very lucky and fortunate to be here at this part in their history.